Hello my legal scholars, Legal Fox here. I recently spent some time down under and in Southeast Asia. I discovered some surprising laws and customs. Keep in mind, they may not always be enforced, but they still exist. So let's talk about a few. Let's start with Australia. In Brighton Beach, Melbourne, a neck-to-knee swimsuit is required in order to swim. While in Gold Coast, however, it is illegal for women to wear a bikini that exceeds 6 square inches. Yep, I said that right, exceeds 6 square inches. In South Australia and Tasmania, it is illegal to offer an award with no questions asked for the return of stolen property. Perhaps Aussie officials don't want to give residents the authority to let a potential thief off the hook. Kangaroos are a protected species, and to unlawfully kill, buy, or sell one is a serious offense. Now on to New Zealand, the birthplace of the commercial bungee jump. You think that airtight release shoe sign relieves the operators of all liability? Think again. Back in the US, in the majority of states, a release can only bar a claim for simple negligence. There are a whole host of other legal claims that can survive that treacherous release. Speaking of treacherous, bungee jumping was inspired by land diving or vine jumping that fearless South Pacific Islanders participated in during their manhood initiation. And next, there's Bali. It was so exotic and spiritual, and I enjoyed every moment of it, even learning some interesting law and unique customs. If you're trying to get your buzz on, it's probably best to stick to Bali's most popular beer, Bintang, because even minor possession of drugs carries extreme penalties. In fact, currently in Indonesia, a British grandma is on death row for smuggling cocaine, and another woman is in prison for 9 years for selling weed. And while violating certain customs may not land you in prison, they are the unwritten law of the land. When invited to dinner, before finishing your meal, leave a little food on your plate as an offering to the gods. When giving and receiving, especially money, use both hands. It's considered impolite to start using only your left. And after a long day at the markets, there's nothing like a cup of CatPooChino, or as commonly known, Kopi Luwak coffee, one of the world's most expensive or shittiest, depending on how you look at it, coffee. It's made from cat poop. So there you have it. Glad you could join me on my global foxtrot. Goodbye for now, my legal scholars.